Hey, this is Richard, and you're watching The Conscious Builder. Here we are. It's bright and early on a beautiful sunny day in Ottawa, starting day one on Ottawa's newest net zero build. In this house, when it was built, we found the asbestos in the drywall itself, so not necessarily the plaster, but just the drywall, the caulking. Some of these ducts have wraps, and also the exterior siding they used, called trancite, contains asbestos, which is all coming down by the abatement company before we can take a bulldozer to the place. Right now the abatement guys, they just removed all the trim. Now they're gonna start taking out the drywall. Once they take it off the wall, it's gotta be bagged in a special bag and taken away to special dump sites where they contain asbestos. Casey and I have been working with the homeowners here, with the architect, our energy advisor, the designer, and the clients. Probably about 6 months. We've been having meetings, going over plans, building, and we just want to make sure that once the building comes down, we have everything we need to hit the ground running. We really believe in an integrated design process. So if you're going for a high performance home, like a net zero home, if the builder's not involved with the design, then the architect will be missing out a lot of details that may be needed. And with our guidance, we can assure that the plans that are presented to the city have all the qualifications needed for the net zero. So that way we're not changing things as we go during the build and then have issues with the inspectors when they see details that weren't present in their plans that they looked at.
From The Conscious Builder. If you want to stay up to date on the progress of our net zero build, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We are going to be sharing a lot of good content in the upcoming weeks and months. We have our Ask KCG videos where he answers your questions on video. So if you have a question, feel free to write it in the comments below and we may choose it for a future episode. We also have our podcast where we interview industry professionals and innovators. We have our how-to tutorials, which we're going to be sharing soon, and we're going to be sharing more behind-the-scenes stuff. So a lot of good content. Until then, have yourself a great day, and thanks for watching.